Such a lovely night outside until let's see what we. Oh my god! Sander or someone else? Do you see what I see? It's the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Let's go. I tapped him. Destructor Duel. Difficulty easy, proton pack, upgrade pack. Let me see what. Everything looks good. I think we're ready to fight. I guess it's time for us to destroy the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. Complete for a chance to win. I could get a lot of money for that. Let's play. Hold on. The cash rewards for this job could push you over your max cash limit. Any cash over this limit will be lost. You should increase your cash limit by wait, hang on a second. Wait, I can't fight the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man yet? But Ghostbusters, they're my favorite character. Screw it, I'm going for it. But guys, should I just do this? I mean, there's no going back. Let's see the health. Looks good. Let's fight the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man in Ghostbusters. Let's kill him. Defeat the Destructor. Okay, let's fight the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. I'm actually excited. Okay. Stay Puft! Stay Puft! It's so amazing. Roast them! Roast them! Oh my goodness gracious! A marshmallow! Marshmallow! We gotta roast him. We gotta roast him. There's a health bar. Shit. Ow! He's on! Ah, yeah! You missed. Die, Stay Puft. Damn it, Stay Puft. Why do you do this to me? Oh, thank God that everything is still recording. Oh my God. He called out his minions. Marshmallows, Stay Puft. And Stay Puft, yeah, of course. Oh god. I'm really scared. I got a little health. Oh, his chest. Marshmallows! Stay Puft, why? You betrayed me! No. Okay, he's gone. But now I have no freaking health. Screw this. Full health. I made a team. I made the Stay Puft team. So if you guys want to watch that, if you guys want to join my team, then go ahead and tell me if you want to join me or not. I will put my comment into the description if you guys want to join my Stay Puft team. And look, if I click here, it will say Stay Puft team. Hey, I'm the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man from the Ghostbusters. I hope you all are having a great time and stay puffed. Smiley face. And that's my team. So if you guys want to join me on this epic ghostbusting adventure, then be sure to join them right now, because I can well, let's search for, I don't know what to search for. But leave? But I did not want to leave. What else if I click leave? Do you want to leave the squad? No, I'm not leaving. I'm never leaving. Well, I don't need to show you. But since we fight Stay Puft, it was a good time to show me my new team. No, I don't need to. I already have some help. Since we already got fucked by the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, since we have some time, let's go for Ghostbusting time. Okay. Ghostbusters Slime City! Ooh, Slimer, don't run out. Fuck, I hate this one. Oh. I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Sorry, guys. Destroy all the vehicles. Ghostbusters! Get in there. Absolutely crazy here. Oh, we don't need one of that. God, I can't even see the front. Oh, what the fuck? I'm running out of time. Yeah. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job, failed. You ran out of time. Why does the timer have to be so fucking short? Every goddamn time you have to be so fucking short. Why is it fucking short? Why is it fucking short? Why the fuck is it fucking short? I don't know why I'm saying bad words right, but what the fuck is it taking so goddamn long? What the fuck is it? Oh, no way, I gotta. Oh, yeah. Tell your friends? Greg? What the hell is that supposed to mean? Did someone join my team already? Let me see. Let me see here. Hit level 9, Christian. Alright, so anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here because I guess it's bedtime for me, as you can see on the timer. And I'm not going to school today. I'm going to a hospital because apparently I have a problem because I shit my pants. Okay, I take it back. I nearly take it back. I take it back. You didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. Hey, that was just a joke. It was just a joke. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And be sure to join the Stay Puft team, where you can join me and the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man on Ghostbusting time. But wait, what's this? Inbox, Christian, made this lot in the, what? I don't need that. But anyway, good luck joining in my team. So anyways, bye!